I am going to try something new. I have been writing so many blog posts on how you can help out in your garden, how Elm Dirt can help you, and answering a lot of the great questions that our customers have been asking. And I wanted to take it to a video format too. So definitely check out my blog and see all the different information out there. But also subscribe to our YouTube and keep following for more tips and tricks on how to take care of your plants, as well as what are some of the random bugs out there, how to do natural pest control, and all the other stuff that you want to know about gardening and taking care of indoor houseplants as well. So today's blog post that I wrote on was how to mix Elm Dirt products with other things. So maybe you're using a synthetic fertilizer, maybe you're using your own compost, maybe you're using just another brand of organic ingredients out there, and that's okay. It is okay to mix things, but we want to be smart about how we mix them and what we mix things with. So let's start with our products. Our products are all natural and they include over 250 different species of microbes. They're pH balanced. They're low in NPK, but that doesn't mean that they don't contain nutrients and microbes that help take like nitrogen out of the air and put it into the soil for your plants. So there's all sorts of benefits that our products have, but they're never going to burn your plant roots. So you can be assured that that's safe there. And our products work really well with any sort of compost or other natural organic product as well, especially soils, because it'll help break down those soils as well, or break down compost faster. Any of those things, it's going to be really easy for you to use with. Now, if you're using our products with a synthetic fertilizer, that's where you don't want to mix them into the same container. So any sort of concentrated liquid, really, you don't want to mix together because they can kind of interact with each other and maybe cancel each other out. In this case, the synthetic fertilizer has a tendency to kill off our microbes, which makes our products less effective and gets you less of the benefits. But when you add our products to synthetic fertilizer, on the ground, so like say you have a lawn or a garden that it's outside and you've applied your synthetic fertilizer to it, if you wait a few days to a couple weeks later and then you go ahead and apply our products are going to help hold on to that synthetic fertilizer better and keep it from running off into the water system, which means it's more effective for your plants. So your plants are going to get more of that synthetic fertilizer that you put down, which means your money's going to go a little bit farther with that synthetic fertilizer, and you're not going to have to apply as often either and still get those great results. And you're preventing runoff in the meantime. So a lot of great benefits there. Some of the other things that people have asked me about mixing with our products. So you have weed killers. Our products will help naturally suppress weeds. There's some microbes in our products that naturally suppress them, as well as just encouraging the growth of regular plants before those weeds have a chance to take root. Helps block them out and helps reduce the amount of weeds that you're going to see. So hopefully that helps. But if you do have to use a weed killer, you can mix them together. But again, with concentrated liquids, we generally recommend that you just apply the weed killer first and then apply our products. That way the living microbes can go to work and help rehabilitate the soil after you use it. Pesticides, fungicides, those things can interact with microbes, so just apply them separately. Again, you can apply them first and then apply our products later. Fungicides, you're going to want to wait a little bit longer, about 2 weeks or more from the time you apply the fungicide to when you use our products, because our products do have good fungi in them that would be harmed by the fungicides. So there's all different sorts of ways that you can use our products. We have both soil mixes and liquid fertilizers. The liquid fertilizers are fast acting. They can be used in hose and sprayers. They can be used in other different types of sprayers. And they're really simple and easy for people to use. And our soil mixes are soil amendments, and they can be top dressed on top of pots, or they can be added into the mix when you're making a garden bed or new pots for, say, your indoor plants and you bring them inside, or repotting a plant. And they're really great for just giving a more slower release, natural nutrient source that then our liquid fertilizers can help break down for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, support@elmdirt.com. Follow us on all the socials @elmdirt, and stay tuned for more information about how to take care of your plants, what to do if you see all sorts of issues, or if you want to learn more about natural pest control. I am going to start doing a video series on all the different things that I've written blogs about. And so stay tuned, subscribe, and follow along.